election. We're not meddling in an election. We're meddling in an investigation, which we have a right to do. There's nothing illegal about it, he said. Somebody could say it's improper, and this isn't foreign policy. He went on to say, referring to the president, he basically knows what I'm doing, sure, as his lawyer. My only client.
Man, you couldn't even read the rest of the statement because he didn't even have it highlighted, so that means that was straight bullshit. Goofy.
Report to, tell him what happened. Think about that. The president is using his personal lawyer to ask Ukraine for investigations that aren't, quote, foreign policy, but that will be very, very helpful personally. It's not often you get it so graphically as we do here. Let's go to the fourth reason. It wasn't just that President Trump used his personal lawyer. Asking for was never a problem. Witnesses told us official prepared talking points or briefing materials. To the contrary, they went interests. Tim Morrison.
Y'all hear it, people.
At the National Security Council, Lieutenant Colonel Alex Vindman. At the Security Council, Jennifer Williams, who listened to the July 25th call, testified that when President Trump demanded that President Zelensky investigate the Bidens, he had completely departed from the talking points that they had prepared for him. Now, before I get to the video clip, I just want to underscore this. He's not obligated to use his talking points. He's not obligated to follow the recommendations of his staff, no matter how sound they may be. But what this makes clear is it wasn't U.S. policy that he was conducting. It was his private, personal interest that he was conducting. If it was U.S. policy, it probably would have been in the talking points and briefing materials. But of course, it was not. Let's look at Mr. Morrison's testimony on this point.
Now, Mr. Morrison, were these references to CrowdStrike, the server, the election, and to Vice President Biden and his son, were they included in the